Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to update iMessage on iPhone. Now, to go ahead and update iMessage on your iPhone, you must update your phone's main operating system because iMessage right here is a built-in system application and it doesn't have a separate download page in the App Store. Okay? And any new features or security patches are delivered via the standard system update. Now, to go ahead and update your device, go head over to settings right here or the settings app, and then you'll be able to see a pop-up right here that says update to iOS version. Okay. Now, if you don't have this message, well, you're good to go. If you got this message, start the update right now if you want to update your iMessage. Now, if you're just having trouble getting specific features to appear after an update, you can just basically scroll all the way down, tap on apps. Now find iMessage or messages right here. Now find iMessage, okay? Disable it for now. Wait for a bit, maybe 5 seconds, and then just turn it back on. Once that's done, go ahead and tap on send and receive and just verify that your phone number, your email, or iCloud is connected. And after that, you are good to go. That's how simple it is to update iMessage on iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.